guys, it's Emily, and don't mind the cat right now.
Emily, let the cat in.
Oh my god, sis, what did I tell you? Get out of my room. And today, I am going to... Excuse me, don't make fun of me. Don't make fun of me. Guys, so, yeah. This is her Dottie X E-Self. She's a fun little robot girl. She's super scary. And now, her ears, oh no. Oh, she's a soft blush. This is her evil self. Her dress is whipped. Dress is whipped. Oh my god, cat, shut up. Cat. This is her evil self. She looks mean because she has purple. Wow, look guys, princess. I know I'm a princess, you guys. Stop looking at me. I know it's a princess, guys. Stop looking at her. Everyone's a big fan of her, but she became killed because Bingo told her to get lost. Here's her backstory. So, Emma wasn't adopted by Carl because he loves her. Really loves her. Extreme. That he didn't even protect her. She's stupid. And so her power was broke down. People kept making fun of her because she was not a princess anymore. So she cried without the fairy wings. Without the fairy wings. Without the fairy wings. The wings. Her tail got all straggy. And red tails. What tails? And her crown is broken. Her crown's also broken. Oh my god, sis! She has blood on the wings because she cut people with it. She cut the splits with it. She's not evil to humans because she knows they're nice. But after a split turned her evil. So, let's not take it seriously, okay? She has fangs. She also has fangs. Because she's a bat. And she got a nosebleed because Bingo punched her in the nose. And her crown was knocked off. Bingo kept fighting Snorky. So Emily had to do something about it. She had to defeat Bingo to save Snooky, but sadly she couldn't because now Snooky was dead on the ground and I was crying. Defeated. And she was now defeated. Defeated.
Bro, get this graffiti out of here.
Shut up, you can leave me alone. The heart turned into a broken heart. The heart turned into a broken heart. The heart turned into a broken heart because she was now very mean. She's now a witch. Wait, I'm telling you guys. A witch. And she now is a demon. She can now teleport and make people and kill people because she can. Why not? She's literally an evil split now, and no more cuteness from her. No more cuteness from her. I didn't mention fairy wings because she would fly off of them. Fly. Oh, I forgot her instrument is glitter wing sounds. So if she catches a human, she'd put glitter in their eyes to blind them. It would hurt really bad. It hurt really bad. Really bad. And her arms also broken off. Her heart was sipped out. Her heart was taken out because it did a Bingo whipping it out. Bingo whipping it out. Okay, guys, so this is Evil Emily. So I hope you guys think she's scary. If you guys don't think she's scary, she'll kill you. Oh, I also got pink demon horn. Pink. Yeah, demon horn. Demon nubs. To sign that she's a demon. Okay, guys. So her castle broke down into a mess. So her princess naives were taken away. So Bingo blew up her castle and knocked down her crown and took away her tiara because Bingo hated her a lot. And now look what he's done to her. That's just rude. So she killed Bingo and decided to fly away with Snorky's body. And Emily saved Carl from Poppy. And Carl and Emily don't you say it, Emily. Only one time, please. Fine. They kissed and Emily turned back to normal again, and it was a very good ending. And they had 1,009 kids. Don't you think that's a little too much? Get up, Jason! Get out of my room! Oh my god! Okay, now